Lovac fans, today we're going to look at a DC25 sand in the carpet test. So this is a DC65 brush roll. You can see the size of it, opening, width, height, and you can also see bristle density. Let's take a look at a DC25. This is a 2008 model. It's obviously older, less dense here on the tufts on the brush roll, although it is a similar shape. But the nozzle itself is much smaller, and something known as the airflow density is much higher. As a matter of fact, it's about 45% higher. This has 52 CFM at the nozzle. This one has 57, so it's about 10% higher airflow. It's funny, it's older, but it has higher airflow. But the airflow density is about 45% higher. That's the concentration of the air at the nozzle based on how big the nozzle opening is. So let's take a look and see how much sand this older Dyson actually picks up. Maybe it'll be better than the newer 65. Maybe it'll be the same. Maybe it'll be worse. Let's find out. Alright, here we have our ubiquitous 100 millimeters of sand. And it looks like it's gone. So here we go. Let's see what a DC25 does. Of course, all the filters and bin whatnot was completely cleaned ahead of time. Alright, let's get an initial look. Let's see. Well, I don't really see very much. Sometimes it's hard to tell. There's a bunch around the seal there, and there's some inside. That doesn't look like a whole lot. But I'll put it on the paper, and we'll take a closer look. Well, after emptying the bin, that really doesn't look like a whole lot. Well, taking a look at a DC25, we have a rather disappointing 12 millimeters. So after 10 full cycles, we're at about 12% of the original 100 millimeters. So the DC65 picks up more, but I'm going to attribute that to a more dense brush roll. The DC25 has more airflow, 57 versus 52, and it has higher airflow density, so picking up small, light particles, like say flour, fine dust, I bet you the 25 will do a better job. But picking up a heavier, dense particle like this, woo, that gets a pretty strong thumbs down. So what do you think? Until next time, bye-bye.